Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll take your Capcut videos to the next level with custom stickers. Today we'll show you how to add your own images and turn them into fun, personalized stickers for your videos. Let's unleash your creativity. At first, open the Capcut app and tap on this plus button to create a new project. Now choose the video or photo you want to add sticker to, and click on this add button. Now here comes the fun part. Tap on the sticker option. By swiping all the way right, you'll see variety of pre-made stickers, but we want custom, so swipe to the left here and click here on picture icon. This opens your phone's photo library. Choose the image you want to turn into a sticker. It can be a funny meme or logo or even your own drawing. For now, I'll choose this image and it will automatically turn into a sticker. Now to add animation to it, click here and choose the animation. As you can see, my sticker has a new animation. Once you've chosen your image, it will appear on the timeline as a sticker element. You can make it fun by adding animations and also change the opacity of the sticker. Once you're happy with your sticker, tap on the play button to see how it looks in action on your video. And that's it, you've successfully added a custom sticker to your Capcut video, adding a unique touch of your personality. Now you can express yourself in a whole new way with stickers. Keep creating and customizing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut fun video. Thank you.